Hey guys, since it's Christmas time, so why don't we try making a plum cake or fruit cake which is eggless and non-alcoholic? Yes, today I'm going to make plum cake or fruit cake without egg and without alcohol. And wishing you Merry Christmas to you and your family in advance. Do try this recipe at home and share with your friends and family, and also share your opinion in the comment section. Now let's move on to the recipe. Now in a bowl, add black raisin 1/8 cup, regular raisin 1/8 cup, almonds 1/8 cup, cashew nuts 1/8 cup, Truti Fruti 1/8 cup, Cheery 1/8 cup. So basically you have to take all the dry fruits in same quantity. You can also take your favorite dry fruits. Now soak the dry fruits in orange juice for minimum 2 to 3 hours, but I prefer to soak for 24 hours for better result. Here I use 200 ml orange juice in total. In a grinder, add half cup of sugar. Adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Cardamom 3 to 4, 2 inch of cinnamon sticks, cloves 4 to 5 pieces, and then grind it in a smooth powder. You can take powder of all these ingredients. These are easily available in the market. Now in a strainer, add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, cocoa powder 1.5 tablespoon, baking powder half tablespoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, and then sieve all the dry ingredients and keep it aside. Then in a mixing bowl, add half cup of oil or butter, powdered sugar with cardamom, cinnamon sticks and cloves that we prepared earlier, then mix it very well. After that, add 1 cup of milk and give it a good mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract, nutmeg powder. This is easily available in the market. You can also make this powder at home. Just make a powder of few cashew nuts and few almonds, but this is completely optional. Then add the dry ingredients little by little and mix it with the help of a spatula or a beater. Now add the soaked dry fruits and then mix it well. Then add the vinegar or lime juice 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons. Give it a quick mix, but this ingredient is optional. The consistency of the batter should be like this. And immediately pour the batter into a cake tin. And make sure you keep ready the cake tin earlier. You can add some dry fruits on the top and put inside the preheated oven, and you have to do this process very fast. Now bake on 140° for around 1.5 hours, but keep checking after 1 hour. It might take less or more time. Now demold the cake after it cooled down completely, and then the eggless non-alcoholic, soft, spongy, moist plum cake or the fruit cake is ready to serve. Enjoy this recipe with your friends and family. This is very easy. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.